And this is a question that we didn't discuss before, so forgive me, but do you see many issues around product quality just generally in the marketplace?
So to give an example of that, we're involved on a prestigious site up in the northeast, which I won't name, okay. But they are actually enforcing the need to stick with certain suppliers,
right,
to avoid inferior imports, which, this is a multi-million-pound project, and for someone to decide to save a few pennies on the odd fixings, and creating a potential disaster situation is not what we're into. Brilliant. So it's important that we stick to that supply chain traceability.